Hi folks, Wave 3 News Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with an update on the situation for tonight into tomorrow. Overall, the forecast has improved across the areas. We're taping this here just after 4 o'clock. In fact, many of the advisories canceled. We just have a winter weather advisory for Lawrence, Jackson, and Jennings counties until tomorrow at 1 p.m. That's where freezing rain issues could lead to some icing problems there, especially early in the morning. We'll be watching that. The rest of us do have the risk for some slick spots this evening, but really, this is going to be a liquid rain scenario. Already seeing liquid rain on the radar at the moment, but some of this isn't reaching the ground at this time. We'll certainly be watching this as we go throughout the next several hours, as well as those temperatures got up to 45 in Louisville. Now we've dropped just a little bit here, and that's thanks to some evaporative cooling that's moved in, so that's going to get temperatures down into the 30s as we go throughout the overnight, but I really do think 34 degrees is the lowest we'll get here in Metro Louisville. Many spots just above freezing, though, in southern Indiana, until you get up toward Bedford, Seymour, into portions of North Vernon as well. So that's why we're keeping them under the risk of some freezing rain and maybe some icing issues. You'll see the current temperatures there locally, mainly in the 30s and 40s, even 38 as far north as North Vernon. We will see these temperatures cruise downward a couple degrees at the very least as we go throughout the next few hours, and I do think we'll settle down into the mid to lower 30s depending on where you're at. Road temperatures have been a big sticking point today because we're still below freezing here in Metro Louisville with those road temperatures, but you'll notice down toward portions of Nelson County down there that we are seeing road temperatures improving. 33 degrees for the road surface temperature down that way near Bardstown. 31 up here basically in the metro area. That 25 you see off to the southwest of town is an error. But as we go throughout the next several hours, these will be improving as well. So that's why we're saying watch for a few slick spots here in the metro and points northward. It's just because the road temperatures are still lower than those air temperatures. It's a mostly rain situation for us here in Metro Louisville and much of southern Indiana. It's going to be an only rain situation, basically from Bardstown southward. The light icing issues, they'll be definitely around Bedford, Seymour, into North Vernon. Heavy ice up toward Indianapolis, a real mess possible up there, but thankfully that's not in the cards for us as we go throughout the next 24 hours. We'll have your updated 7-day forecast, which includes some warmer temperatures toward next weekend and the possibility for a little more wintry mix later on in your Monday that could cause some travel issues in places. We'll talk about that on Wave 3 News at 6 and 11. Join us then.